There's something you don't know. Something that's been keeping you stuck. You fight harder. You push more. You stress more. And yet, nothing changes. You've been chasing, grinding, forcing outcomes. And still, the life you want, just out of reach. And here's the truth no one told you. The harder you chase, the further it runs. Meanwhile, there are people out there, people no smarter than you, no stronger than you, who get everything they want without breaking a sweat. They don't overthink. They don't panic. They don't beg life for success. And yet, they win. Every single time. Why? Because they've mastered the art of letting go. And if you don't learn this, you'll stay stuck in the same loop forever. But if you do, your entire life will shift. Money, power, respect, whatever it is you're after, will start flowing to you instead of away from you. This isn't wishful thinking. This is Stoicism. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. You're fighting the wrong battle. Let's be real. You've been at war with yourself for a long time. You overthink every move. You obsess over what might go wrong. You stress about things that aren't even happening. And when things don't go your way, you panic. You force. You try to grab life by the throat and make things happen. But here's the problem. Life doesn't work that way. What happens when you grab sand with a clenched fist? It slips through your fingers. But if you keep your hand open, it stays right there. This is why some people seem to manifest everything they want, while others struggle endlessly. It's not about how hard you work. It's about how calm you stay. Because calmness equals power. When you relax, you become dangerous. You stop acting out of desperation. You start making smarter choices. You stop chasing and start attracting. And suddenly, everything just starts working out for you. Why relaxing makes you more powerful? Most people don't understand this. They think relaxation is weakness. That being calm means you don't care. But Stoicism teaches the opposite. The most powerful people in history, they weren't running around like headless chickens. They were calm, collected, unshaken. Think about a lion. A lion doesn't chase after everything that moves. It waits, watches, and when the moment is right, it strikes. But you've been acting like a headless chicken instead of a lion, and it's draining your power. You need to relax, not because you're giving up, but because when you stop fighting life, life starts working for you. The things you want, they start moving toward you instead of away from you. How to relax and still get everything you want. This is simple, but not easy. Step 1. Detach from the outcome. The more attached you are to something, the more power it has over you. When you let go of a need, you start to attract the result. Step 2. Control what you can. Ignore what you can't. You can control your actions, your mindset, your discipline. But the outcome, that's out of your hands. The Stoics knew this. And because of that, they never wasted energy on things they couldn't control. Step 3. Master the art of stillness. The world moves fast. People react without thinking. But if you can master stillness, if you can remain calm when others panic, you win every time. Because here's the real secret. Winners aren't the ones who fight the hardest. They're the ones who stay calm when the world loses its mind. Are you ready to stop forcing and start winning? Because the life you want, it's waiting for you. Not in struggle, not in desperation, but in calmness. The world is loud. People are restless. But power belongs to those who can stand still in the storm. You already have everything you need. Stop chasing. Start attracting. Now, if you found this valuable, do this. Hit the like button. Not for me, but for yourself. Subscribe. Because I'm not here to waste your time. I'm here to make you powerful. And if you're serious about mastering Stoicism, check out my other videos. I share deeper insights, raw truths, and powerful lessons that will change the way you see life forever.